Hi folks, I'm Jesse Muller, Blue Screen Computer Services, and this is for my newsletter, November 2021. So I see the holiday season bearing down on us, and that means Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales, big sales on computers are certainly coming. Want to give you a caution, certainly go shopping and buy all the computers that you want for the holiday season, but beware of the cheapest of the cheap. This time of year, I see a lot of places like Walmart, other big box stores, they offer $200 laptop. And it looks awesome on paper, it looks gorgeous, but that's what marketing does. It's not a good idea a lot of the times to buy that $200 laptop. There are certain fatal flaws to these computers that will give you buyer's remorse. And if you call me up and say, hey Jesse, please can you make my computer any faster, I'm going to figure out what you've bought, and I'm going to shake my head and give you the frowny face and say it's not possible. You bought a trap laptop. These trap laptops have certain things like the processor is the lowest of the low. It's an Intel Silver or an Intel Gold processor. It's an Intel Celeron processor. It's only fit to be used in Chromebooks and lesser things, not a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 computer. Sometimes these $200 laptops, they don't have enough storage space to afford Windows 10 or Windows 11 and all of the manufacturer software and a few really big updates that come in right as you turn on the computer and connect it to the internet. A lot of these computers, they only have 64 gigabytes of storage, and that storage cannot be increased. And once you run it for a few weeks, suddenly it starts giving you low disk space messages. Not easily fixable. You don't want to go that route. And even other of these laptops don't have enough RAM to run anything with grace. So it takes several minutes to boot up into Windows 10 and 11. And people tear their hair out over that. They think that a new computer should, and it ought to, boot up rather quickly. So when you go to buy yourself a new computer, certainly look at all these sales. You might find a great price somewhere, but get at least 8 gigabytes of RAM if you're buying a Windows computer. And for the best performance, for the best bang for your buck, try to get your next computer that has a solid state drive in it, as opposed to a hard disk drive. Solid state drives are the new type of storage. It's becoming very common, but you can still look out for it and make sure that your computer has that, because it will make everything snappier. It will make the computer boot up twice as fast as a similar computer with a hard disk drive in it. And at this point, solid state drives are common enough. You shouldn't have any trouble finding those in the stores as you shop. Nothing wrong with hard disks in computers anymore, but you will really appreciate the difference if you haven't yet used a computer with a solid state drive. There's so much more I could talk about hardware, but I won't make this too tedious. I'll tell you what, if you are shopping over the holidays and you see a great deal, but you have a second thought about it, give me a call or shoot me an email. Give me some details, give me a web link to what you're considering. I will quickly tell you if it's a great idea, or I will tell you if I have misgivings about what's under the hood. And that way maybe I can help you avoid a misstep with your next big computer purchase. I'm happy to help if I can. All right, gang, happy holidays. Be safe out there. Good night.